Here are the two schools for tonight's show. Number 21 seed Dinthill Technical High from St. Catherine up against number 44 seed Anchovy High from St. James. This is the 50th anniversary season of TVJ's Schools Challenge Quiz. Dinthill Technical High is represented by Javane Curry, Nickwayne Williams, Kadeen Grant, and Jamone Johnson. Anchovy High is represented by Sean Gardner, Naveen Blake, Lysandra McCallum, and Davin Watson. Only one of these teams will move on to the next round. Hello everyone. Welcome to the 14th match in round 1 of TVJ Schools Challenge Quiz. I'm your host, Marlene Stevenson-Daly, and your judges are Dr. James Smith for the sciences and Mrs. Theresa Easy for the arts. Now it all comes down to this. High schools from across Jamaica have entered this challenge. But do they have the skill, the knowledge, the temperament to move to the next round? Well, this is the opening challenge. In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will receive 1 point for each correct answer. Earlier, we had the toss. Dinthill won, and they will allow Anchovy to begin. This section lasts for 4 minutes, so let's get that time on the clock, please. Anchovy, we begin with history. Which parish in Jamaica was among the first to have electricity placed in a house called Waterloo?
St. Elizabeth.
Correct. Dinthill Tech, which two current parishes in Jamaica were originally included as part of St. Elizabeth?
Manchester and Croydon.
Incorrect. Westmoreland and Manchester. International affairs for Anchovy. Look at the monitor. Identify this person.
Charlie Simpson.
Incorrect. Juan Orlando Hernandez, President of Honduras. International affairs for Dinthill Technical. Look at the monitor. Identify this person.
Salvador Cherry.
Incorrect. Juan Carlos Varela, Prime Minister of Panama. Physics for Anchovy. What is defined as the rate at which the velocity of a body changes with time?
Acceleration.
Correct. Physics for Dinthill. What is defined as any motion of a body where gravity is the only force acting upon it?
Free fall.
Correct. Music for Anchovy. Listen to this clip. Identify the singer, please.
In the name of Jesus, there is power.
National Forbes.
Correct. Music. Dinthill. Listen to this clip. Identify the singer.
CC Wines.
I am sorry, the answer came after the bell, but it is correct. Spanish, we now go to Anchovy. Translate to English. ¿Cómo está el tiempo?
How is the weather?
Correct. Spanish for Dinthill. Translate to English. Hace un día muy soleado.
The day is sunny.
No, it is a very sunny day. Theatre and cinema for Anchovy. Look at the monitor. Identify this person.
Jessica Frey.
Incorrect. Jennifer Lewis. Theatre and cinema. Look at the monitor. Dinthill. Identify this person. Incorrect. Loretta Devine. And literature for Anchovy. Who wrote the novel The Scarlet Letter?
Stephen Joe Anderson.
Incorrect. Nathaniel Hawthorne. Literature for Dinthill, who wrote the novel Hard Times.
Charles Dickens.
Charles Dickens.
Correct. Anchovy, Jamaican heritage. Complete the Jamaican proverb. Now dash where you stick.
Before you go through the bush.
No, before you're done, cross river. Jamaican heritage, Dinthill. Complete the Jamaican proverb. Peel neck, fall, ball for life.
What sense of all balls of feather?
Yes, we'll accept. Sports for Anchovy. Look at the monitor. Identify this person.
Kobe Bryant.
Incorrect. Dwayne Wade. Sports for Dinthill. Look at the monitor. Identify this person, please. And the question goes to Anchovy. Would you like to try?
No.
Okay. Russell Westbrook. And that's the bell. That's the end of the opening challenge, and the score is Dinthill Technical on 3, Dinthill Technical on 3, and Anchovy High on 4. When we come back, it'll be time for the speed challenge. Schools Challenge Quiz 50 returns right after these messages.